Surgery room doors in hospitals and clinics are probably the most abused doors in the world. Edges are virtually destroyed by the beds moving quickly in and out. Even stainless steel can't stand up to the daily punishment these doors endure. This door's veneer was cracked and peeling so extensively that the only solution available until now was to replace the door. Today, with Ninja Doorskins, there is a better alternative. You can keep your existing doors and we'll make them look brand new. Then, with our heavy-duty stainless steel protection system, they'll stay looking new despite daily traffic. To protect these doors from inevitable future abuse, we installed a stainless steel L-guard on the hinge side and a U-guard on the lock side. On the front, we attached a 16-gauge heavy-duty kick plate. And of course, door closing is never affected by our stainless steel protection system. At Ninja Doorskins, we know that there's no way to protect doors from all abuse. So there may be a time in the future when the steel will get scratched or the doorskin may be damaged. That's why we've come up with the exclusive Ninja Doorskin Repair Kit. With this kit, we can repair the doorskin or replace any damaged stainless steel, ensuring your doors continue to look new for years to come. This old oak door was saved from the landfill and made to look like a new oak door. Our client remarked that it was a truly amazing transformation. I could not believe it was the same door. The doors stayed on the hinges throughout the entire process, and we completed the job in less than 2 hours per door. Our doorskins are quick, safe, and environmentally friendly. Could your doors benefit from Ninja Doorskins? Ninja Doorskins are truly a revolution in architectural surfacing. Learn more about our process and our 1,400 patterns at Ninja Doorskins. Call 630-544-3105 or email us today